My trimmer was running pretty slow, not as strong as I knew it could run. And then what I did is the battery was full. And then what I did, I simply took some sewing machine oil. Now it's a very light oil sewing machine. That's why I'm mentioning it. If you cannot find one, maybe use a regular oil. But maybe what I recommend, perhaps try with just vegetable oil, whatever oil you have, canola or something, that's also very light, and see if there is an improvement. And the reason for this, before I show you where to place it, is that basically there is a lot of friction. And if there is no oiling at all at that point, that will take a lot of the energy, well, a good part of the energy. So basically, one of the things, the easier is to put a drop of oil on this pin. This is the motor pin. It's a pin that rotates like this. It stays inside here. You can put a drop of oil inside here as well. Maybe, I think it's easier perhaps to put it directly here in this kind of cut. You have a cut there. Or otherwise, just put it on this very pin. It's a small pin here, right there. Just a drop of oil. And this is one, and the second one, so this is the blade, so we have a fixed blade underneath, and this is the moving blade, so this on the top is the moving one, and it has three contact points. One contact point is here at the front, so you notice there is a spring which holds it down, so there is friction here. I don't recommend placing oil here in between the blades, because it's going to get on your hair. So it's up to you. If you want, then if you wash your hair right after cutting, trimming, it's up to you. But I didn't put oil here. Instead, I put oil where I call this the legs. So this is one of the leg, and there's obviously a second one right here. So these are just small bits of metal. It's not long, it's this long. This is the length, and then there is the other one. So I did not put it directly here, I put it on the base, on the silver area. You can place it both sides, it's going to smear on it, or you can also toast this, just toast this on one side and just place on the silver spots that you can tell at the base, the bottom metal plate. And then the yellow leg is going to just move left and right and smear with the oil, and it's going to get it lubricated. So basically you have two parts here, the yellow one here, it's this long, and the silver one underneath, it's from there to there. So it's in between these two that there needs to be oil, obviously, on both sides. And once I did oil like this, I was surprised. I turned it on, it was so strong. Again, I didn't charge the battery, it was the same charge. It was so strong, it kind of feels like it's running like it was like when it was new. So it's much stronger, and also this will make it run for longer on the same charge, because there is less friction, so it consumes less energy. So basically the battery will last you longer. Also notice this tape here, and the reason is one of the problems is because this piece here, which slides, you adjust it, has a small bumps where it kind of locks, and these bumps will wear. These plastic bumps will just wear, and they don't hold properly this piece at the correct setting. That's why I usually use a tape. I adjust it, put the tape on it to lock it in place, just operate it.